Hello, Holy One. Hello, hello. Welcome to this space. Welcome to this space. I wanted to tell you thank you so very much. Many of you have reached out and you have shared your excitement of registering to meet me in Los Angeles in February at the Conscious Life Expo, and I'm super excited about it. So I'm going to be in Los Angeles February 9th, 10th, and 11th at the Conscious Life Expo, LAX Hilton. All the information's on my website, but thank you to everyone who has reached out and who has shared their joy and excitement on us being able to meet. I'm having a space there where I'll be doing a workshop and I'll be doing a lecture, and it's going to be fantastic. So I'd also like to ask you if you could help me out. We are so excited because my book that came out in 2023, so the beautiful AQE Foundations, Remember Who You Are. This beautiful book came out in 2023, and I am in the Conscious Life Expo 2023 Book Awards. So there's a link in my link tree, and there's a link on my website, and if you can go and click on that link, it's so super fast. You get asked your name, your email. You'll see a picture of my book amongst many other wonderful books. If you'll click on my book and then go down to the bottom and click submit, that's all it is. And it's all done. So it takes less than a minute and you could help me win. And that would be fantastic. So this is my book, my baby, that I released in 2023, and it is up for an award. So thank you so much for your space of this now. I'm honored to walk with you. Thank you for allowing me to do so.